everyone, we're going to establish this identity. Sine of alpha plus beta divided by sine of alpha minus beta equals tan of alpha plus tan of beta divided by tan of alpha minus tan of beta. So the first thing we're going to do is expand both of these. So let's do that, and we're looking at both of these. So we're just going to expand the numerator to look like this, and similarly the denominator should look like this. So let's write that out. That's going to be sine of alpha times cosine of beta plus cosine of alpha times sine of beta divided by sine of alpha cosine of beta minus cosine of alpha sine of beta. Now, in this case, this is like one of those identities you're going to have to force. So we have a numerator and a denominator here. And we need a tan of alpha and a tan of beta in the numerator. So if I take my numerator here, it is an identity. So whatever we do should work. I'm going to write my numerator here. And to get my desired results, I need a tan alpha tan beta. So to get a tan alpha, I'm going to divide this by cosine of alpha, and then have to divide this by cosine of beta, because that'll give me 1. Now we have to do this for every term, and it should work. Since it's an identity, remember these are identities, so this should work because we're forcing it. So now copy down the denominator. Let's do that. And we're still dividing. Why did I write that? All right. I do that. I'm thinking ahead. So we have cosine of alpha times cosine of beta. So minus cosine of alpha, sine of beta. And then we have cosine of alpha times cosine of beta. So basically what I did is I took each of my terms here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I divide them all by the same thing. Now you can do that as long as you do each term. So, and it's going to work because it's an identity. So let's look and see what we have. This gives you your tan of alpha. So that's tan of alpha. This is 1. So times 1. We don't need to put that. All right. This is 1 times tan of beta. All right. And the same thing's going to happen in the denominator. So this is going to be tan of alpha. This is 1. So that just cross that out. Minus, this is 1. So it's 1 times tan of beta. So for this identity, you really have to look at what we have. We have to force it. And so we divided everything by cosine alpha, cosine beta. Thank you. Have a nice day.